It's weekend cooking, guys. Let's cook for the weekend. Welcome back to my kitchen. So let's cook together. We're making something delicious. Guess what? Guess. 1 minute guess. Guess. Who can guess? Okay, this is what we're making. We're making vegetable soup, and now I'm just boiling my meat, my fish and prawns. So this is like the goat meat I'm using, the fish and everything. I first cooked the goat meat with my pressure cook, and now it's time to dive into the other things that is left. Here's the spinach that I'm using. Today I decided to use frozen spinach because sometimes if I use the fresh one, the thing will just be so watery. So most of the time I make vegetable soup, I use this one, but I just noticed the difference. Not, I didn't just notice. So the difference between both of them is that when I cook with this one, the soup will be watery, but when I cook with the frozen one, I will get the the thick thing that I want. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Then the peppers. Now. Oh, it's on the vent. Let's cook. Vegetable soup. It's the goat's meat for me because I miss goat's meat in my vegetable. But yeah, I got goat's meat yesterday from African store, and guys, you can't wait to enjoy. What's that? Hmm? Come and join us. Oh. I brought food out. You guys are here requesting for another thing. Eh? I'm done cooking for the weekend. Nobody should disturb me till Monday. Eh? I've made some vegetable soup. We've eaten a plate already. Some pasta for the boys. Some yummy rice and veggies. Some pepper soup. I made chicken, so I just divided some, used some for the soup, and now I'm frying some.